Welcome back. Just as a reminder, this is based on the whole brain workshop seminars that I used to render. Right, very quickly, this is brain lesson number 5. In this one, we're talking about altitude versus attitude. Altitude refers to your progress in life. Are you going to be a success or a failure? Are you climbing up the step ladders to success, or are you always tumbling down towards failure? Okay, so before we define, how do we define success? Is success having money in the bank? Many people define success, maybe you got a big car, you got a nice fancy house, you got a lot of money in the bank balance, but people don't ask, was it earned honestly or dishonestly? Okay, that's not success. So as far as possible, try and be as honest as possible. Rather have less money, but it's honestly earned, instead of trying to have millions, which is dishonesty. No one likes a dishonest person. I mean, you're just going to fool yourself for a short while, but dishonesty catches up with you, and at the end of the day, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not pleased. So at the end of the day, we need to have an anchor in life, as we explained before. If you know that religion is important to you, try and lead an honest life. So basically, the definition of success is a goal. You must have a goal in life. If you don't have a goal, then you cannot measure whether you're successful or you're a failure. A goal means, okay, I want to lose, but don't set too high goals. You want to lose 20 kilograms. So don't say I want to lose 20 kilograms. Start off small. Say, okay, I want to try and lose 2 kilograms in this month, or 2 kilograms over 4 months. So initially set yourself a small target. When you achieve the 2 kilogram weight loss, then you regard that as a success. If you do not reach it, it's regarded as a failure. So success just simply means, have you achieved your goal or not? You want to say, okay, I want to buy a Toyota in 3 years' time. Then if you've achieved to buy your Toyota in 3 years' time, that's regarded as a success, and it's not regarded as a failure. But if someone decides, okay, I want to have a huge 760iL BMW within 3 months' time, you're not going to achieve that. So if you did not achieve your goal, it's an unrealistic goal, so that's a failure. So the main thing in life, the definition of success and failure is set a goal and try and achieve that goal. If you say, I want to work this month for my exams, and I want to achieve my goals, I want to study 3 books by this weekend. If you achieve studying those 3 books, you're a success. It doesn't matter whether you got then 50% or 90%. As long as you've studied hard for the exams, you've done it honestly without cheating, then that is regarded as a success. So the whole thing about success and failure has got to do with your attitude, about your brain, what is going on in your brain. It is not, many times people will try and defeat your altitude. Altitude means how high you're going to go in life. And many times when people see you climbing that ladder to success, they're going to try and bring you down. So you're going to decide, are you going to listen to the other people who are trying to bring you down and will be happy to see you falling down the ladder, or are you going to use your brain? Are you going to have an attitude of success? Are you going to have an attitude of gratitude? You must be thankful for all the blessings that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, God Almighty, most merciful, has given you, and you must use your brain, first and foremost, use your brain to have a goal. Use affirmations, use visualizations, see yourself succeeding. That's how Olympic champions train. That's how the world sports champions, they train. They first see themselves succeeding mentally. They use the brain training mentally. They see themselves standing on the podium with the gold medal around their neck. And then they do the exercise and the fitness training to make sure that they achieve in life. So attitude, the brain is very, very important in trying to achieve your goal in life. After the brain, then comes your skills, then comes your habits, then comes how you're going to train in that particular field. But first and foremost, set a goal. If you don't have a goal, you've already failed, because you don't know where your target is. Write your goal down, put it on pen and paper, put it in front of your mirror. So every morning when you wake up, you brush your teeth, you're looking at your goal, you're reading it. At night time, you read your goals there. So put it by the bedside, put it by the mirror, put it on your phone. Have a reminder. This is my goal. Keep focusing on your goal. If you don't have a goal, then you are already a failure. Thank you. Stay tuned and stay well.